Package from Lazada. May binili akong phone. It's a Alcatel One Touch Flash Plus. Flash, yun. Nagbubulol ako. Sorry. Ayan. Nice. Effortless shopping from Lazada. Christian. With our bubble wrap. Ayan. Actually, dapat ang bibiling kong cellphone is yung Asus na Zenfone 2. So nakita ko lang yung specs nito. Medyo maganda compare sa ano. Hindi, ang talagang yung presyo nito maganda. Dahil bargain at 6,490. Kaya kinuha ko na. Kasi yung Asus Zenfone 2 ata, yung variant na gusto ko is yung 9,995, yung 1.8 na quad core, then 16GB na internal yun. So pares lang ito, 16GB na internal tapos 2GB na RAM. And then so octa-core versus dun sa quad core ng Asus Zenfone 2. So unbox na natin. May unboxing knife. So quick look muna guys yung specs nila, specs ng Alcatel One Touch Flash Plus. So 5.5 na inches high definition display, then 4GB 4G. So sabi dun sa specs, so dalawang dual SIM na both yung SIM card is 4G support. Octa-core clock at 1.5 GHz. Camera is 13 megapixel sa rear and 8 megapixel sa front. Then yung battery niya is capacity is 3500 mAh. So dual SIM. Let's unpack. Alcatel One Touch Flash Plus. Smart move. Let's check the box. Baka mahulog. Nice. Ito na yung unit itself. Tanggalin ko muna. Wala. Sorry. Ano naman ang box. Manual lang to. So may screen protector yan. Kakabit ko mamaya. Quick start guide and warranty certificate. Okay, then wall charger na ilang to. Output is 1 amp. So mga around 4 hours fully charged. So meron siyang kasamang data cable. Yan. And yan pala yun. Yung headset. So may carrying pouch. Ewan ko kung kasya yung hindi yung kasya. Okay. So tanggalin natin yung unit. Okay. So yung ganya. Parang wala pang battery sa loob. Parang may pre-applied na screen protector siya. Ayun. So, hindi ko na natanggalin. Then may extra screen protector din siya ito. So, ayan. Kanina. So, may extra na. Okay, so let's open the power. Ito yung power button. Ito yan. So, let's check. Okay, so hintayin natin yung pag-boot. So, let's check muna yung mga buttons. On the left side, may makita kayong SIM 1 nya. Then yung micro SD. And on the right side, SIM 2. And volume rocker. Tama. Then yung power. So, all buttons are working. Tapos may 3.5mm na jack. Audio. Then yung 13 megapixel na rear. Then yung LED flash. Dito sa baba merong speaker, and sa front may yung 8 megapixel. Ganya, parang wala pa yung battery. So ang weight ata nito is 145 grams. Ito na check yung mga ganun naglalaro ata. So I'm not sure. Kaya correct na lang, correct me na lang. So English. Let's try insert your SIM. Skip mo na, wala akong SIM. So check guys kung makagawa ko ng full review. Skip ko muna to guys ha. So done yung pag-connect ko sa Wi-Fi. Just a sec. Let's skip ko na to. No, not now. Para makita nyo yung user interface. Yes. Okay, so done with all the yung mga chachabareche ni Google. Okay, so ito yung user interface ng OneTouch Plus. OneTouch Plus. Okay. So very smooth guys yung pag-slide ng app. So ito yung mga pre-installed apps. So you can check yung camera and Play Store, check yung settings. And then about phone, yan, Alcatel OneTouch Plus. Android version is 4.4. So KitKat TPU is a 1.5 octa-core 64-bit. System memory sa 2GB, then internal is 16GB. Screen size is 5.5 inches. IPS, so touchscreen material, so full lamination. Hindi ata to tawag doon, Corning Gorilla, so hindi ata siya. So resolution is 1280 na 720 high definition. Process at 228 nanometer. So GPU is Mali T760 MP2. Main camera is 13 megapixel with the autofocus. Front camera is 8 megapixel. So meron ding autofocus. Okay, so battery capacity is 35 mAh. Check muna natin. Then app, Facebook, pag open ng app, so makikita nyo guys, ang bilis. So back again, Facebook, ayan, check nyo. Then check natin yung phone, very responsive. Camera, okay, let's check yung capture ng photo, kung gaano kabilis. Okay, nakita yun, nandito, nandun kagad. So gallery, so check ko lang guys kung makagawa ko ng full review nito. May time ako, then balikan nyo na lang sa YouTube channel ko. So last one, it's 30 megapixel. Okay, so Lazada, effortless shopping. So yun lang masasabi ko, is magaan, masarap hawakan. Guys, yung tawag ito, yung kamay ko is medium to large, medyo malaki. Makikita nyo yan. Wala akong ibang phone dito na hawak. So screen display niya. So ano pa ba? So check natin yung browser. Ngayon kung gaano kabilis yung I got a 1 Mbps lang guys. Na plan, action, open. Po yan, mali. Very responsive kung magta-type pa. Copy yan, po yan. Ayan, so search. Ayan. Check kung makikita nyo yung YouTube channel ko. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Ayun, YouTube app. So, check nyo yung channel ko. Subscribe nga pala kayo guys kung hindi pa kayo makakapag-subscribe. Nag-unboxing ako. So, ngayon lang ako makapag-unbox ng medyo busy. So, yan Pisonet DIY din. So, yan. Unboxing let's play yung video. Screen. Actually, mabilis yung screen rotation nyo.
Hey guys, okay. It's here with another video. So today mag-unbox ako ngayon ito yung first ever AMD gaming notebook.
Yung impression ko, magaan, masarap hawakan. So hindi siya yung parang madaling madulas or plastic lang yung likod If may nakalimutan ako or gusto nyo malaman, just leave a comment below. So, thank you for watching. Ito yung unboxing ng Alcatel OneTouch Plus. Bye.